Hello, 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 crafty friends. I'm ScrappingSylvia here on YouTube. And today I figured we would do an unboxing on this one that I ordered from Diamond Art Club. It's called Black and White by Deborah Lewis. I think I ordered it maybe a month ago or 2 months ago. And the price was $19.99, and it's considered beginner friendly. So I don't know if you can see it's a beautiful horse. Okay, so let's open it up. I will still continue working on the other one for my husband, the one with the lion. But I figure I'll do the first unboxing with this one. It's just a smaller one. And what's good about this company, guys, is that the artwork is licensed, meaning that the artists are paid for their artwork, which they should be. Okay, and the size, by the way, is 17.7 by 12.6, which is 45 centimeters by 32 centimeters. And it's a round diamond drill. Some of them come in square. And I believe if it's this pink color, it's round. And if it's blue, it's square. Okay. Comes in this plastic bag. Okay, you can throw this away or you can keep it. You can use it for storing. And this is very, very, very soft. It's very nice. Okay, let's take out the stuff that's inside first. It comes with the sticker, Black and White by Deborah Lewis. You can write down the starting date and when you finish it, the end date. And it has 16 colors. Okay, and remember I was telling you in my other video that it comes with stickers, and you can use the stickers to put it on the containers. Okay, and it comes with step-by-step instructions. And it also comes with a 10% off on your next purchase using this coupon, which is thank you 10. And I believe there's also another one on the box. Actually, there is one in here. And there's another sticker. You could use these stickers if you like on your, I keep a logbook, a diamond logbook. And that way I keep track of all the diamond paintings. Okay, so it comes with a toolkit. Let's open the toolkit. It comes with a tray, which I love these trays. It comes with wax, heart shape. It comes with a squishy. It comes with a diamond pen. The first time I used these diamond pens, but it really killed my hand. So I purchased other diamond pens, but this one's fine for beginning. Comes with a placer. I think this is I'm not sure, I never use these. I always use the single placer, but I think this is a 2. I don't know what this one is. But anyway, and it comes with little baggies. So you could put your drills in there if you like, or your extra drills. I usually don't use the baggies. Okay, let's put that aside. And then these are the drills, but let's look at the diamond painting. Let's turn this around. And just curl it. Sorry about that. I think I just moved the camera. This camera keeps moving, my iPad. Okay. is a perfect size. Wow. This is beautiful, guys. I can't wait to start this. All right, so do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club. It's a beautiful black horse. Ice around it. It's like a tree full of icicles. This is the legend. 16 colors, the symbols, and the color code, which is the DMC. It's gorgeous, guys. Remember I was telling you about the plastic? So some people will keep them, but I usually just remove it and I put the release papers. And then I work by one square at a time. So that's it, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh, wait, let's not forget the drills. Let's move this out of the way. Wow, that's really pretty. Okay, let's turn this around so I can show you the drills. How many does this one come? This one comes with one AB. And the ABs are usually more has more sparkle. Okay, so this is the code 3865. I don't know if you can see that. This is 310. 310 is usually black. 939. Very pretty drills. 125. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. This is the AB. Shinier. I apologize. This keeps moving. 415. 318. 3841. 3799. 414. 317. 413. 597. That's pretty. I like that. I love the blues and the greens. 598. 336. It's like a navy blue. 312 and 3760. So since there's 16, I might use to put them in. Got this container on Amazon. Let's see how many I have here. I have 30 here, so maybe we'll put them here because I'm using my Harbor Freight. Oh, maybe I have another one. I'll have to check. But we'll do another video tomorrow, and I'll show you. It's called kitting, and basically I'll put the drills where they belong. Alrighty, okay. And thank you again. And I apologize for my camera. It keeps moving. It has to be adjusted. All right. Bye bye.